Welcome to Big Basket Now presents the RCB podcast.
Being not from a metro city and not being from Pune or Mumbai, which are more easier to have a cricket access. But I have a really different take on this particular. The infrastructure is for sure definitely much better there, but the kind of facilities or kind of attention I got in Sangli, that I feel as kid more than the infrastructure is what you need is the attention, the more number of balls you play, and that was a real advantage, and that is something which I might have gotten also maybe somewhere else, but not as much as I would have got in Sangli, because I used to be the only girl around there at that time, and it was like I used to get a lot of batting later on. I was the only state player, so there's so much attention. It felt like the whole Sangli, kind of all the cricketing fraternity of Sangli wanted me to play for India. Those sort of things that I just feel it just happens in a smaller city, because of course metro cities has that volume of players for them to invest in. So yeah, I think the kind of attention, the coaching I needed, I feel it's available at all places. It's just how much you want to do it, and the infrastructure bit comes in, of course, when you're 15, 16, 17, and then you need to work on few more things, is when the infrastructure comes in play. But before that, it's just the basic stuff of cricket, and I just feel at that time you just need that personalized attention, the personalized people around you to take care of you. So I feel that is an advantage as well.
That's a very interesting take.
Yeah, and also I feel like, of course, the wickets aren't as good as you get in Pune, Mumbai, for sure. But that's how you're getting tested at early age. You're not getting flat wickets. You're not like, you get, sometimes there used to be people who used to play that gola, that they throw short put.
Correct.
Sometimes they used to throw it on the wicket because it was not a cricketing ground. And then we used to play in that, bat in that. So it's like different challenges every day. There used to be, some day it used to be extremely wet, some day extremely dry. So I just feel that personally, I feel that is a better mental practice than anything. Now you guys, we can do a lot of mental exercises, but that is like the most practical way of getting ready for any sort of surfaces.
बस यही बोलना है, यही तुम्हारा ऐड?
Yeah, that's it.
सही है यार. Now delivering in 10 minutes.